my problem was my backyard, it was all muddy, and if my dog comes out, she will track it back to the house. Made an analysis between different companies. Different company came and they told me the square foot was 1,000, and which was not. 365, they have done a really great job. They were on time, and they were all the guys were professionals. They know how to do their job, and they were honest actually. Tom was my sales rep. They cleaned everything in my backyard, in my garage driveway, and they were punctual and on time. I'm very happy with the product that I get, and now my dog is enjoying it. Previously she used to sleep in the concrete. Now she sleeps in the turf. It's comfortable, and for my family, my kids, they like it. I highly recommend 365 for anyone looking for a turf.